Hey, Micah and Ricky. My name is Leo from Morona Marketing. I spoke with Betty Ann today. She was awesome. She's an awesome person to have answering the phones. She's a good face of the company. She was so nice and sweet and had that southern hospitality that I love. Um, but this is a video I wanted to get sent over. It's got some tips that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and or your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. Um, Now, as you see, I got your website pulled up here. I love the logo, love the names, Southern Premier Roofing. This is really cool how y'all have got this up here so people can kind of see what's up under the shingles because a lot of people don't know. Got your video on here, got your form submit, a quick shot of everything that you do. Website's not too bad at all. Love the photos. Looks like y'all do amazing work. But one thing I would suggest would be to add more content. Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends bots out to crawl these sites. And the bots are just trying to identify what your site is, where it's at. So roofing, services, Atlanta, those are things that's going to pick up. And if people are in Atlanta searching for roofing services, as long as you've got enough content on here and the right keywords, it's going to start pinging your website and putting it in front of others. So Google loves content. Again, they want to see 1,500 words of command content minimal on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is simply the service that you do and the area that you do that service. So roofing Atlanta is a buyer intent keyword. Roofing Lawrenceville is a keyword. Roofing Winder is a keyword. So something like that with the service and the location that you do that service in. Now, you also want to make sure that you're saving photos and videos as keywords as well, because photos and video count as content. So here you can make sure you have Roofing Winder GA. Winder GA Roofing. Something that, again, is showing the service and the area that you do that service in. I like how you got to schedule a free inspection up at the top. You got your number up here, but this needs to be a click to call. Over 50% people are searching your services. They're on a cell phone. So instead of having to copy, paste, or remember this phone number, make this a click to call so they can hit that button and get right through to you. Some people's a little shy and don't want to make a call. So having this right here is a great idea. So kudos on that. Now, what I've actually done is taken your website and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're standing in Google's eyes. Now, this is your UR, this is your DR, this is the strength and the trust that your website has with Google. Now, that's out of 100, so you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. These are backlinks. You've got 49 backlinks, 37 referring domains. Now, a backlink is one website referring and linking to another website via clickable button or text. But you've got to be careful with these backlinks. Backlinks are the bread and butter of your website. They are going to give you the power. They're going to power your keywords. They're going to power your content. They are what's really going to put you out there in front of people that are searching for your services. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you really want to attack the one that's authoritative and relevant to your industry. Now, you're being found for 46 keywords. So Google is indexing you for 46 keywords right now. And let's see what those keywords are. Roof restoration. Roof restoration is a national keyword. So this can be typed in anywhere in the world and you will get a search for it. So you really want to do things like roofer, Winder, Georgia. That's 30 searches a month and it's 0 KD. Now, the KD stands for keyword difficulty, and this is out of 100. And you want to get as close to 0 as possible because those are the keywords that's really going to help you rank quicker and easier. Roofing Athens, Georgia is 300 searches a month, but it's a keyword difficulty of 26. And a 26 KD is going to take a while to start ranking. You're in 27 right now with 0 traffic. Roofing Winder, Georgia is 1 traffic to your website a month. So you want to make sure that you're really attacking the keywords that's going to actually bring volume into your services. And I'll show you that here in just a second. Now, the way I found you was seeing that you was paying for ads, and I wanted to check out your website. You're paying for the Google Guarantee. So I wanted to check out your website and see if it was optimized, because while Google Guaranteed ads are a good way to get jobs quickly, once you stop paying for it, you're gone. And even now, you're not even in the top 3 in here. So most of the time, the top 3 are the ones that's going to get chosen. And honestly, some people don't trust these ads because they know they're paid for. They want the people that's ranking organically. Now, in your city right now, you are number 2 in the Google Map Pack, which is really good because that's where 40% of your business is going to be coming from. Now, I also help with these Google Business Profiles. I can help you get ranking not only in your city, but other cities as well. I actually pulled up Lawrenceville right here. I know you're pretty close to Lawrenceville, but I wanted to show you, you could add a locations page on here and say that you service the area of Lawrenceville, and look at this volume. But most of all, look at the KD. So roofers, Lawrenceville, Georgia, 150 searches a month with 0 KD. Another 150, 0. Another 150, 0. 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 1,500 searches here with Lawrenceville roofing company Lawrenceville. You can attack Lawrenceville, and you can come in there, because obviously there's not a lot of companies in Lawrenceville that's taking advantage of this, because if that was the case, these keyword difficulty numbers will be a lot higher. So you could add this service page to your website and then steal all that search volume that's coming in from Lawrenceville, Georgia. Now, down here is the organics up under the map pack, and that's where 70% of your business is going to be coming from. So this is the number 1 in the organics in your city, and I just want to show you something real quick. See, these guys don't have a lot of content either. So by implementing having more content on your website than theirs, you can start to outrank this site, and while adding those backlinks and keywords in there as well, you can take over the competition all in your area, but it also leaks out into the surrounding areas as well. So as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here that you can capture. Here's all the Roofing Winder, Georgia, and you do have that one, but there's just not a lot of volume in this city. That's why I moved over to the city beside you, and showing you that you could really add this location page to your website and really capitalize on the lion's share of this search volume. So Micah, Ricky, Betty Ann, it was a pleasure. Again, my name's Leo Arona. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about this video. If you just got any kind of questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out, because I can be that resource for you too, that just answers some questions for you. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for your time.